everyone, and welcome to day 7 of the 30-day self-care challenge. Now if you don't know what the 30-day self-care challenge is, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can read all about it, and you can sign up if you want to. If you're a regular watcher of my channel, then you know that I like to cook very often. I have a lot of cooking recipes on here, and I like to try to stick to a healthy Mediterranean diet. Well, as part of self-care, I think that everyone should know how to make a few good meals. So once a week during this challenge, I'm going to give you a really easy, really quick, but healthy Mediterranean diet-inspired recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorites, which is a creamy carrot soup. It only has very few ingredients and it's really healthy because it's not made creamy by adding heavy cream or milk or butter or anything like that. I use half a potato to thicken it and it makes it just like nice creamy consistency while keeping it healthy. Now I know we're all really busy, and the last thing you want to do when you had a long, hard, stressful day is you get home in the evening and you really don't feel like cooking. That's why this recipe and all the ones that I'm going to give you this month are really quick and simple and don't require a lot of shopping, and they don't require a lot of prep time, but they're still healthy. So put away that frozen pizza and don't even think about that microwave burrito, because today we are making homemade soup. Complete instructions for this recipe are in the email, but you'll be able to follow along with what I'm doing. Enjoyed today's recipe and learned that good food can be a form of self-care. I would love to see how your soup turned out, so don't forget to post a picture to Instagram using the hashtag 30daysforme, and I will talk to you tomorrow.